When you say bonding, right? What is bonding? We have bonding here. We have bonding and also we have what?
Bond.
We have a bond. Right?
Yes, sir.
Bonding is what is a process, right?
Yes, sir.
It's a process. And when we say bond, a bond here is what? It's a force, right?
Yes, sir.
That holds my phone.
No.
Force that holds molecules together, atoms together, right?
Atoms together.
A force that holds atoms together.
Yeah.
Mind you, atoms and molecules, they are not the same. Huh? Are we okay? Atoms and molecules are not the same. Because if you observe something here, you have what? You have a particles of force of matter, right?
Yes, sir.
And all the particles of matter here, what do we have? We have what? We have atom, alright?
Yes, sir.
We have molecule, and also we have what? We have ions. Are they the same, sir? They are not the same, right? They are not the same. So a force that holds atoms together here is called what? It's called a bond, right? A bond can be anything. A bond can be what? Anything, right? But the main thing here is a relationship. A bond here is what is called a relationship. So that's the relationship between what? Between atoms. It's called what?
A bond.
It's called a bonding, right?
Yes, sir.
That's the bonding. Are we okay?
Yes, sir.
So that's the case now. If I ask a question now, what is that force that holds molecules together, atoms together? What is that force?
Bonding.
Electrostatic force.
Yes, it's what? It's an electrostatic force, right?
Attraction.
So what? Chemical bond here is what? Is the electrostatic force of attraction between what? Between atoms. That is what? Relationship, right?
Yeah.
You remember on the physics, right? We have a whole topic called what? Electrostatics.
Statics.
Two words, right? Now, we have two words combined together. Two words combined, right? What are they? We have what? We have electro, right? And next we have what? Statics.
Statics.
Now remember, this one is what? Electro is gotten from electricity, right?
Yeah.
And electricity is what is gotten from the word electron.
Electrons.
Are we okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
It's called electron, right? Now, also when we talk about statics here, it means what? Not moving. Not moving. Okay? When we say statics means what? Not moving, right?
Yes, sir.
Or at rest.
Yes.
Or stationary. So when you say what? A force that holds atoms together is called what? It's called bonding, right?
Yeah.
Bonding is what? A chemical bonding is what? Is that electrostatic force of attraction between what? Atoms.
Yeah.
But electron means what? Electron, right? Electricity, right?
Yes, sir.
And this electricity is gotten from the word electron. So in this case here, and we have statics here, which means what? Not moving, right?
Yes, sir.
That means electron not moving here. Alright? Not moving. So instead of again saying what? Electrostatic force of attraction here, it means what? Electron was not moving here that holds what? Atoms together, right?
Yes, sir.
Now we have a very good relationship between what? Somebody. It is difficult for that particular relationship to be broken, right? Or it is what? Difficult for something to come between what? Something negative. Talk between what? You and your mother,
Yeah.
or father, whatever the case may be, whoever the case may be. Are we right?
Yes, sir.
Likewise, the atoms here. Now, that force that is held between them is what? Is very, very much strong. That force is what? Is very, very tight. Therefore, there is no space for them to move. That's when they ask me, what is the reason? Why do atom bond? You know what is the reason here? Stability. For them to be stable, right?
Yes, sir.
And for atom to be stable here, that atom here must have what? An outermost electron force of 2 or what? Or 8. That is duplet or octet.
Yes, yeah.
When you say duplet, it means what? Duplet means what? 2, eh?
2, yeah.
Duplet means what? 2 or octet.
Octet means 8.
8, right?
Yes, sir.
So therefore, the electron here, or that atom here must have what? An outermost electron force of 2 or 8. So when they have 2 outside, it means what? They are stable, right?
Yes, sir.
And when they have what? 8 outside, it means what? they are also what? Stable. Once they are bond, are they stable? No, they are not stable, right?
Yeah.
So what happens now? They can what? They can bond here for them to what? For them to be stable. Are we okay here?
Yes, sir.
So we say what? Electrostatic force. The force that holds atoms together here is called what? It's called an electrostatic force. Are we okay here?
Yes, sir.
And we have explained a bit. This is not physics. That's why I don't want to go deep to this one here.
Yes, sir.
This is not physics. But when you look at this one, when you go to physics here, I will explain some to detail for you to understand, inshallah. Right? So electrostatics means what? Two words, right? Electron here getting from the word electricity, right?
Yeah.
And electricity here is also getting from the word what? Electron. Is that so,
Electrons,
sir?
yeah.
Good. But we have electrons here that are not moving at all. You know what this one is telling me here? It means there is a charge present in this particular thing that we are talking about, right?
Yes, sir.
Now look at the word electrostatics here. We talk about what? Electron, right? Now when we talk about electron here, that electron is what? Is negatively charged particle.
Particles.
Look at what at an atom here. Alright? We say an atom here is what? Is the smallest particle of what of an element, right?
Yeah.
They can take part in what in a chemical reaction. Are we okay?
Yes, sir.
Now in this atom here, the atom is what? Is spherical in shape. And in the atom here we have what? We have a presence of what? Of the nucleus, right?
Yeah.
And in the nucleus here we have what? We have a proton here and also we have what? We have a neutron. Is that not so, sir?
Yeah.
And inside the atom we have what? We have an electron, right?
Yes, sir.
And this electron is what? Is negatively charged, and this proton is what? Is positively
Positive
charged,
charge.
and this neutron is what? Is neutral.
Neutral, yeah.
It has no charge. I will go deep into this. For some of you that have attended my class, we have done what nuclear physics, right? P2. Okay, not you guys, P2.
Okay.
Of course, we have explained everything here. This one is what is spherical in shape. Is that also, sir? Good. And then once you have the proton, this proton is what is positively charged, and this man here is what is neutral, and this is what is negatively charged, right? But what happens here? This man is what is revolving around the nucleus. It means this man is what is making a movement. Right? Are we okay here?
Yes, sir.
But this man here is what is not moving at all. This man is what is inside here. If there will be what any changes here, what's happening now? This man of now wants to now make a change because this man is what is the one revolving around what? Around the nucleus.
Yes, sir.
When we go to the revision of what? Of course we have done this one. When we go to the revision of what of electrostatics here, we're going to explain this one, right? Of course we have done electrostatics.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So therefore we understand how these things works, right?
Yeah.
So if this guy is not moving here, when you have a particle like this, something like this, right? Now, there are electrons here outside. But these electrons here, they are not moving at all. Right? This body here, let me see, look at this area here. There is an electron here, but they are not moving. For them to move here, in order to happen here, you want to apply heat to them, to this particular. So therefore, what happens now? Those electrons here will start to move. And whenever the electrons move here, what happens now? What do we have here now? We have electricity. We say electricity is what is different as what? As electrons in what? In motion.
Motion, yeah.
But when the electrons are not in motion here, what do we have?
Static.
We have electrostatic. That means the electrons here are what? Are at rest.
At rest, they're not moving.
They're not moving at all.
Yeah.
Are we getting this concept here?
Yes,
So
sir.
therefore that relationship between what the atoms here, they are what? They are at rest. And whenever you talk about electricity here, you talk about the charges, right?
Yes, sir.
That is what? You talk about the cathode and also what? The anode.
Yeah.
But this one all will be explained when we go to what? Electrostatics. They're all in there, right?
Electrochemistry?
No, electrostatics, not electrochemistry.
Okay.
Also when we go to electrochemistry, also we need to talk about the charges, right?
Yes, sir.
So we go. Now, if these guys are not moving here, now it means what? The force between the two is held together, right?
Yes, sir.
The force is what is held together. Am I right? So, when you say what? This is the what? Electrostatics force. That means what? The force is not moving, right? It's in between that is what? It is bringing these guys what? Together. Don't you have us more relationship, guys?
Yes, sir.
That's the relationship that what can make them to be stable.
Yeah.
Are you right here?
Yes, sir.
Now, we look at what? Take to the body here. Talking about ionic bond, right?
Yes, sir.
Or talk about electrovalent bond, right?
Yeah.
Talk about covalent bond, right? Okay. An ionic bond here is what? Is the transfer of what? Of electron. Because we say atom bond for a reason, right?
Yes.
And what is that reason? For them to be what?
Stability.
Stability, right? For them to be stable.
Yeah.
And how do they stable here? How can they become stable here? They can only become stable here when the outermost electron is what? Is 2 or 8. Now let's see. So they have a charge, right? There's a charge for these guys. Okay, so simple and straightforward, right? There we go. Now, transfer of electron. Are they exchanging here? Are they exchanging here?
No.
No.
It's
So,
transfer of
when they exchange here, we say what? The exchange of the electron here, we have covalent, right?
Covalent bond.
But when they're not exchanging, we have what? You can say what? Ionic bond, right? Or we say what? Electron what?
Equivalent bond.
Are we getting the concept here? Chemistry is all about what? Having the concepts. Education in general, having the concept, right?
Yeah.
Now, look at sodium and chlorine, right? Sodium here is what? Are we okay here? Now look at sodium here. Now, we say each part of this guy here can contain how many electrons here? Just two, right?
Yes, sir.
Are we okay here? Now here again, this one can contain how many? Four, right? So here, are we okay here?
Yes, sir.
2, 8. Are we okay here? Now 8 plus 2 is what? 10. Now looking at this guy here again here, I will just put this guy to this part. This is what? This is sodium.
Yeah.
Now observe this guy. Is this guy stable here? This guy, is this guy stable?
No.
No.
It's not
This
stable.
guy is not stable.
Not stable.
Are we right?
Yes, sir.
Now, let's look at chlorine here. Let's look at chlorine. Are we getting the concept here?
Yes, sir.
Good. So here we have here, this guy can take only 2, right? This guy can take how many here? 2 here, 2 here, 8, eh? 2 here, and 2 here. Are we okay?
Yes, sir.
Are we getting the concept here?
Yeah.
Yes, we are, eh?
Yes, sir.
So let's assume here we have what? We have 2 here, 2 here again, 2 here. Are we okay here?
Yes, sir.
And what are we going to have here now? Now, everything now, what do we have? Now, the outermost shell here is what? How many left do we have outside? 7.
So it's immense one for it to be stable.
This man's stable here.
No.
Hmm?
No.
No, chlorine is what 17, right?
It's 17, yeah. So it's 17.
Are you okay now?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now what happens here? We say for the atom to want to be stable here. What do they make here?
Obtain
They must be what?
equivalent or octet
Octets,
unit.
right?
Yeah.
Now observe something here. Some of us that's how we are. Some of us we are what? We are chlorine, eh?
Yeah.
Now metal and non-metal here, what happens here? When they meet here, the metal what will give out the electrons to what the non-metal.
Metal.
Some of us will always keep some of our friends, right?
Yes, sir.
Some of our friends they always deceive, they are chlorine.
Yeah.
But at the same time, in life, you must not be selfish. You see, for atom to want to be stable here, they can be what? Octet or duplex. Now, if you observe this man here, this man needs how many electrons for this man to be stable?
1.
No. This man needs how many electrons here? How many here we have?
It's 1. So it's
1.
only 7.
7 for this man to be stable, right?
Yeah. So,
Now, if you compare these two guys here, this guy what? This guy have what? How many here? Outside?
7.
7, right?
Only
And this man here need how many more? How many for this man to be stable here?
it's 7.
1 or 7, right?
Yeah.
But if you observe now, we are talking about these two guys now. Now, in terms of these two guys here, this man have what? 7. And this man needs only one electron to be stable.
Yeah.
Do you expect to give all the 7 to this guy here?
No.
It means you are selfish.
Selfish, yeah.
Are we okay here?
Yes, sir.
So what do we do here in this case now?
Transfer.
This one here can come here, and what happens now? This man will now what? Will now become stable.
Yeah. Transfer to electron.
Observe something now. Now we have sodium here is what? It's losing the other electron.
1.
So then we put a plus sign. You see, when I was just explaining here, I told you about what a sign, right?
Yes, sir.
The moment they make mention of what of electricity, what happens now? We are going to have about charges, and these are some of the charges. These are the charges that I was talking about here. Are we cool here? Are we getting the concept here?
Yes, sir.
Now, chlorine here. Chlorine has how many electrons here?
1.
1, right?
Element.
So say minus. Why minus? Because this one is the one receiving.
Gain electron.
Are we getting the concept here?
Yes, sir.
Simple and what? Good. So we right? Now, this one has given 1, alright? So what do you have now? Here we have what? We have Na plus here, Cl
Minus.
minus. That tells you that this man has given what? 1 to this guy, right? And this guy received how many?
1.
Just 1.
Yeah.
Are we okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
So this is right. Good. So when we go to what we call as what? covalent bond. That's what the sharing of what?
Electrons.
Sharing of an electron, right? Then they share what you have and what I have here must come together, right? Therefore, also want to be stable.
Yeah. Ionic bond is transfer of electrons.
Transfer of electron always because of ionic bond, right?
Yeah.
Ionic, the ions here, right?
Yeah.
We're making use of the ion. And over here now, what happens now? The exchange, right?
Yeah.
Sharing of what of an electron. What you have and what I have, we must come together for us to want to be stable. Are we getting this concept here? Good.